Mama, happy 65th birthday. Message ko lang is stay healthy so we can have mga pinaplano nating mga lakad in the future. So maging happy ang family. I'm happy na ikaw yung binigay sa akin ni Lord, nakasama sa buhay, na napakatyaga at napakabait. During the time nung maliliit ang mga bata, siya lang talaga ang nakantabay because ang trabaho ko is laging nasa malayo.
Wish you all the best, me, and now that you're 65, ang wish na lang namin for you is to create more memories and share more milestones with you. Love you!
Me, thank you for everything. You're the best mom. Thank you sa mga sacrifices mo sa amin. Ang masasabi ko, siyang tunay na ilaw ng tahanan. Kasi kung wala ka, parang ang lungkot ng bahay. Kumbaga pag sa mga natin, sa sikat ngayon sa TikTok is, anong ulam? Ngayon, talagang totoo naman talaga yun na every time papasok ka ng bahay, ang lungkot pag walang nanay. Lagi nating hinahanap si Mama. Ma, sang kama. Thank you, Ma, sa support system namin. Yung mga words of encouragement mo, yung mga sinasabi mo sa amin is yun yung dahilan kung bakit mas tumatag kami as a person. Kaya kaya naming lumaban sa buhay. And above all, happy birthday, Mommy. You deserve everything good in this world. Love, joy, peace, and all beautiful moments like life can offer. I wish you good health, long life, and more travel to come. Happy birthday, we love you.
That was the first time I laid my eyes
You are
on
my constant light in my life, and you deserve everything you could ever hope for on your special day. To the best tita in the world, may God continue to bless you all the desire of your heart. To the best auntie in the world, may God continue to bless you with all the desire of your heart.
Gave you
Thank you for
every
everything,
excuse that
Auntie.
I had.
Ang wish namin sa iyo is more good health and more years to this world. And sana mabuti mo pa lahat ng mga abo mo. And ayun, we are happy to be your children.
The next few days, we fell into each other. You were my one true real life lover.
Hello, Mimi! Happy birthday! Thank you sa pag-aalaga kay Loris. Good health, tapos sana mapapay buhay para mag-promotion. Yun lang. We love you!
We love you!
Hanga ako sa iyo, Mama, sa pag-aalaga ng mga bata. Stay healthy para humaba pa ang buhay namin. Kaya bilang asawa, I consider myself na maswerte sa kanya.
Na, 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 na.